like what are the various ways, like the relation of our nursing with the health and with the treatment of the patients, those who are admitted, plus the patients who are sick or like are unwell in the community setup, means at home setup. So those things we are going to deal. But for your courses, for your relation with courses related to other department, we have make it concise. So whatever may be feasible and at par and is of importance to you, that part only we are going to take classes. So you can see here importance of health and hygiene. So health, you know, it's a very important terminology for all of us. Good health is a key to happiness, because today, see, if now we are in this era of like from last 2 years, we are suffering from this pandemic, you know, COVID pandemic. So whoever has come across with this COVID-19 viral infection, so their physical health, their mental health, even their socio-cultural life, everything has been distorted. Because today, if we are physically not healthy, definitely there will be some impact in our mental health also. Then related with the hygiene, like if you think before this pandemic, before this pandemic, we were very much, we used to do hand washing, we used to maintain uh, we used to maintain our hygiene, but how much and how far? But this pandemic has made us understand like how much it is important to make ourselves in relation with everyday health, relation with everyday personal hygiene. We know we were using the mask previously. If you can see, only few people we used to see, those who are allergic to dust, those who are suffering from some immunocompromised disease like cancer or maybe AIDS, they only used to wear the mask. Yes or no? But hardly people we used to see them wearing masks. But now it is become a part of our life. Like how, like without mobile now, it's very difficult for us to survive, even from a small kid to a older people. Same way, without masks, now it is very difficult. Like it's a kind of like how you carry your own mobile, your purse, same thing. Small hand sanitizer, uh, face mask is a mandatory belongings in our purse. Yes or no? So that is what is important. Next is home. Home is where we become so conducive with our family members. We become so close with our family, with our friends, with our relatives. So family, home is the center of family life. So all these things is a very, very important part of your health as well as our hygiene. Next, you can see here the definition of health given by World Health Organization. It is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely an in absence of disease or infirmity. So, from this line, you can understand it is not only the physical health. Today, I am having fever, right? It is a physiological problem. My body temperature will rise. I'll be having sweating. I'll be having headache. But continuously thinking of that, definitely I will have some anxiety in my mind. I will have some feeling of uneasiness in my body. I'll be not able to do my activities. I want to take rest. I want to be in bed. Like everything need to be supplied to me in bed, my feeding, my drinking, everything. So that is what is not a good health. So if you consider somebody to be a healthy person, his physical health, his mental health, his social health, it should be correct. It should be absolutely fine. So that's what it is given by WHO very rightly, that is a state of complete physical and social well-being, and not merely an disease, absence of disease or infirmity. Infirmity in the sense, patients who are disabled, patients who are not able to like adjust to the society, patients who are not able to be maintaining a good interactions. So this is all termed as a complete definition for health. Next is health is a dynamic condition resulting from body's constant adjustment and constant adjustment and adaptation in response to stresses and changes in the environment for maintaining an inner equilibrium called as homeostasis. Yes, you might have, if you're because definitely you are a science student, as you have taken microbiology, biotechnology. So you know what is homeostasis. It is our balance between the internal environment and our external environment. Internal environment is our own body process, like the cells, the tissues, the functioning in our body, as well as the external environment, the environment where we were breathing in, we were living in. That is our external environment. Like you're now you are coming to the college, so it's a college environment. You are at home, it's a home environment. So how our body is maintaining a balance between internal environment and external environment, that is considered to be as an homeostasis. So we all know that health is a very dynamic changing process, which always require an adjustment and adaptation to the stress. Now, stress can result from any disease. Stress can result from any tension. Stress can result from any kind of problem that is going on in our mind, not only on the mind, in our physiological body changes also. Now, like all of us, we are ladies, we are women. So we know women, every month we are menstruating. So when we are menstruating, there are lots of hormonal changes in our body, and that give rise to some kind of discomfort, some kind of pain. Some people are suffering from dysmenorrhea. So all these things also related to our health. If today I am not physically healthy, I'm not physically fit, then definitely my mental status, my mental health also will have some kind of influence in my day-to-day activities.